This is a solar-powered fence lamp, induction street lamp. Remote control, runs off of a battery, runs off of the sun all day to give you a dusk to dawn use. We're going to open this up, show you how it works, install it outside, and give you an evening shot. Let's get right to the review. The A-Zone instruction manual, the hardware and the brackets with the remote control that you remove the protective film, and a street lamp with 8 strong LEDs. The PIR sensor that you could turn on, you cover the light, and you could get the light to come on when it's dark, as you can see right there, and will go off. It has 3 modes, high and goes off. It has a high that goes to a dim and should stay on dusk to dawn all night long at 50%, and off it goes. So what we're going to go do is put this on, put the bolt and the nut together, and this will allow you to adjust the angle going up and down on the pole. Place the bolt, long bolt through, put the nut, take the next pole, do the same thing. You're going to put the bolt through. The anchors and screws can be put on anywhere if you're putting on a wood, a fence, a pole, etc., etc. This is the solar panel, nice long solar panel. The PIR sensor, the on and off switch, the remote control that points there that will turn on and off the unit. There's the on switch. You can see the red light indicator right there. Your 3 modes, mode 1, 2, and 3. Let's go hang this bad boy up. Spot. We hang up our light. And we wait for the evening hour. We have the street lamp, going to light it up. And that is pretty powerful, as you can see. After 30 seconds of mode 1, it would dim down. 0% activity, it shuts off until it detects motion. And when it detects motion, it would turn on. We're going to go to the mode 2. As you can see, it dims down, and when it detects motion, it will light up for another 30 seconds and dim down to 30%. So it dims down, and we do a little motion in a radius of the PIR sensor. It lights up. Now we put it on to mode 3, and that'll be at 50%. And that'll stay at dusk to dawn. Those are the 3 modes. So no matter what you do, moving around on mode 3, it's not going to light up or shut off. It'll stay at the 50% mark. I hope this fence street lamp is something you are looking for to put up on your pole, your property, your front, back, business, wherever you need to have light down the pathway and so forth. It does a great job, and I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.